Hi, we're talking about linking different checklists and reference documents to Lead Gantt, and that's coming up. We purposely added column F in Lead Gantt because these days almost everybody is using cloud, some sort of a cloud storage platform, whether it's Google Drive or Dropbox or Box, or there are so many others. And usually when we are running projects and stuff, there are lots of reference files. There are different kind of checklists that you want to be running past, or other documents that you want to have associated with the task. It's super easy. In fact, Google Sheet actually makes it easier for you to just copy and paste links over here, and then it also shows you a quick preview of what that document is all about, especially if it is a Google Drive link. So if you are clicking on any of these, you can easily add links over here to different documents that you can use. It's super easy. There's another purpose for this, and which is you can use the same column for creating budgets. And I go into deep in another video that talks about how I can create budgets over here, because these are just normal columns. This is a normal column. I can put in numbers over here. I can add more notes to this thing if I wanted to. If I'm putting in numbers, I can, because this is Google Sheets, I can easily put a sum formula and have a total for that section. So we'll go into creating budgets using Lead Gantt in another video. However, I wanted to show you that it's very easy to attach different documents to it. Now you can't physically drag and drop that document to this thing. However, if you've got that document open somewhere else, you just copy the URL and you can paste that URL over here. And it just becomes a link automatically.